Welcome. If you've ever wanted to get quick opinions or feedback from your friends or community on Discord, creating a poll is the perfect way to do it. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to make poll messages right inside Discord. No bots or complicated setups needed. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app. Whether you're on your computer or your phone, just launch Discord and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, decide where you want to create your poll. You can send a poll in a direct message with a friend or in any server channel where you have permission to post. Next, head over to the chat where you want the poll to appear. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a plus icon. This is your gateway to all sorts of fun features. Go ahead and tap the plus icon. From the menu that pops up, look for the option labeled Polls. Discord has made it super easy by adding this feature right into the menu, so you don't have to search for it or use any external tools. Once you tap on Polls, you'll see a form where you can type your poll question and add your answer options. Think about what you want to ask. Maybe it's what game to play next, what movie to watch, or even what snack to order for your next hangout. Type your question into the box, then fill in the answer choices. You can usually add at least 2 options, but feel free to add more if you need them. When you're happy with your question and options, just hit send. Your poll will appear in the chat, and everyone in the channel or DM can vote with a simple click. It's a fast, interactive way to gather opinions and make decisions together. And that's it. You've just created a poll message on Discord in a few easy steps. Try it out and see how your friends respond. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Discord tips.